Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here with Things Like That. So my boss gives me this semi-trailer and asks me to make an office in it and a shop. So there we got our generator, nice Honda, runs on propane and gas. We've got our shelves made out of old grates for my paint, heavy gallons, 5 gallons of paint and stucco finish and whatnot. Then we got my gravity sink here that I built. This trailer's going to be out in the middle of a field. So what you can do is you can use a 5 gallon jug or a water bottle to wash your hands. We've got the little gray water tank at the bottom. This other plan table here, workbench. We got our power disconnect to go from generator to T-poles. Right now we're just running on 110 from the building next door. I got 3 ways to power this thing. We went in, cut in the side door. We got spray foam above the ceiling and the walls. Down at the end here we'll have a plan table. Then up here we're going to have a shelf for door hardware, more lighting. Then down here at the end on the left we're going to have a small kitchen area, refrigerator, microwave, and whatnot. And this is like my muddy boots for my contractors that are all muddy where you need to have a meeting out here. Look at the plans. Got lighting everywhere. So again, Scott Ferguson with Things Like That. Semi-trailer build out. Thanks for watching.